Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell your dogs token on Bybit. So I got a lot of messages from people asking me to make a video on how they can sell their dogs token on Bybit. So this video is a quick one. I'll just show you step-by-step process for you to sell your dogs token. So here now, this Bybit exchange. So once you open your Bybit, this is the interface you'll be seeing. Probably if you're one of those that withdrew your dogs to Bybit, if you go under assets, you're going to see your dogs token under funding. So it will be under funding. So if you tap on it, it's going to be here. It's going to be under this place. Under this place, you're seeing other cryptocurrency. So what you should do is transfer it to, click on transfer and transfer it from that funding to unified trading account. If you do not transfer it from funding to unified trading account, you won't be able to swap it to USDT. So what you should do is this section that is showing USDT, just click on it, tap on it, then search for dogs. Search for dogs. You will see it here, guys. So you see dogs here. Just select it, tap on it to select it, so it will be here. So if you want to sell everything, just click on this mask, then transfer everything and click on confirm. Once you do that, it will be transferred from funding to unified. Then what you should do, go back to the market. So you see this section here that is showing market, tap on it. Once you tap on market, then search for dogs. Search for dogs token, then it will appear. This is it here, dogs/USDT. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, then click on this sell button here. You see there's this green buy and this red sell. Just click on sell. Once you click on sell, it will bring you to this interface. So what you should do is, you see this limit here, change it to market. Change it to market, so that once you click sell, it will sell immediately. But if you leave it on market, it will not sell immediately until it gets to your limit order. So what you should do, if you want to sell everything, all your dogs, just drag this button to the end to sell everything. That's 100%. So what it does when you sell is that it converts your dogs token to USDT. That's what it does. Once you click on sell, it will convert everything, the amount of dogs you have, it will convert it equivalent to the value in USDT. So that's what it does. So once you click on that and sell, then you are good to go, guys. Then if you want to withdraw your USDT, what you should go back to assets. Now you no longer have dogs, you will now have USDT on unified. Click on transfer, then switch this funding to unified. Unified should be on top. Just click there to switch all over. Then you now click here that is showing BTC, select your USDT, then click on mass, confirm. Then it will now transfer the USDT from unified to funding. Then after that, you can now go ahead and use P2P to withdraw your funds to your local currency. So if you don't know how to make use of P2P trading, just check one of my videos. I uploaded how you can trade P2P so that you can withdraw your money to your local currency, guys. So I just say let me make this quick video on how to sell your dogs token, because I've been getting a lot of requests. So if you are watching this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, and make use of the comment section if you don't understand what I just explained. Thank you, and see you in my next video.